Kenya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasemu ye kase a lawyer for entimi nuanom momyemfa yi immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Wisemart Solicitors. Wisemart Solicitors emranimu akuku drofo se watsena ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wadi edro nso a eyo mokokokra eba ne nipa setena mu ani adwuma mu nsem bia omudi mu akotene pa omo mere di mani pa bia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Aini fuchiniye ebidi de biye. Ghana for our portrait ya say dene Kenya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasemu ye kase a lawyer for entimi nuanom momyemfa yi immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Wisemart Solicitors. Wisemart Solicitors emranimu akuku drofo se watsena ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wadi edro nso a eyo mokokokra eba ne nipa setena mu ani adwuma mu nsem bia omudi mu akotene pa omo mere di mani pa bia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Aini fuchiniye ebidi de biye. Ghana for our portrait ya say dene Kenya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasemu ye kase a lawyer for entimi nuanom momyemfa yi immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Wisemart Solicitors. Wisemart Solicitors emranimu akuku drofo se watsena ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wadi edro nso a eyo mokokokra eba ne nipa setena mu ani adwuma mu nsem bia omudi mu akotene pa omo mere di mani pa bia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67 76 149 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. How be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye. Ghana for our portrait ya say dene enya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom momyemfa ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Wisemart Solicitors emranimu akuku drofo se watsena ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wedi edro nso a eyo mo kokokra eba ne nipa setena mu ani adwuma mu nsem bia omudi mu akotene pa omo wo mere di mani pa bia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67 76 149 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. How be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Good evening, and welcome to Legal Matters. This is DJ KB, Top Online Radio UK. I believe you are well. Yes, the weather is changing, but we are still around. I want to welcome you to this special edition of Legal Matters. It's all about immigration and legal updates. So we are privileged to have with us again lawyer Wisemart Solicitors to give us legal updates, especially regarding immigration. Ebusianfo, US say what is going to happen? But what's your idea? Say US no UK no omokoya say entafo unsa. Trump so suspended foreign aid. Wakatino. Oh, and in answer Keir Starmer or also the same thing. And the Busianfo near Kosovo US no. Yemon Paya Sabibi sense here. Name unfortunately, Nessa Ecusia, no anything. And the Gata 70 Busianfo. Yemfenya ro crack. Inti brebe say Wisemart for my opportunity na yemtuna sikra lawyer they are very busy but tembia chase him bono abida na say ya na ja I send a message lawyer bacho ekwan ho you know tinade yenya no yen sebre kra bacho ba share the link share to all your contact because immigration 70 masa Mr. Financial on share the link na afroso intimi MATB ehiapa right as usual say what question be a bra in common question no obetimi type your question in the comment section on Facebook. I will read the question and lawyer will answer. But na now today we are also on TikTok. Yes, TikTok. No more suspending, but we are on. I think say legal matters in Tina more connected. Here, we are on TikTok, we are on Facebook, and you're on YouTube. Maybe our person here be a wait me a call. I just type in Top Online Radio UK. Top Online Radio UK. And we here a honina. Right, we didn't follow your money and chassis. I'm say a coca. Okay, Lawyer Wisdom, Wisemart Solicitors. Welcome to Legal Matters. Top Online Radio UK. Pacho, Marcia, what is saying?
I don't want to say, you're also a
Nyamiadum. Eja, whether no, Nana, no hostile be, could be. And so, no, Eja, that is the weather you are because we have to live with it. Nyamiadum,
right, we have to live with what we have, so, and make the most out of it, that's it.
You hear and say, as you see a brofono, or more a better or more hano. Tembiano tea, hot tea. I'm saying the solution, I don't know. It is any Your lawyer, welcome again to Legal Matters. Migration issues. I think said Nadia because she actually you're devoted to immigration update. Missing in a lawyer, Fanina Kaboom Namayane, and the platform is yours.
Medasi, Papa, Medasi. It's here for your children. You just said, Obiaho, Mamma Fisher Panso. I don't want to say, I'm saying I'm a fisher pie, a biabachum, but yes, some of you
yes, sir.
Yes, the radius is and so was sang Eddie Achayam. Tisania, Papa Wakano, and Mrena Conti, you were born it to not hear quite anyone. First of all, young name say e-visa, I cancel one. Your name say na and deadline should have been in December. And I may adum and a home office for any extension until the 31st of March. And now your name say end of this month in a e-visa no baby. In other words, 1 year from 31st of March no na but I don't want to almost on my another extension. Only up to the 1st of June 2025. And
Wow.
and that's a good one for us. End of June 2025. But I know dear, categorically said there will be no further extensions. One can say there will be no further extensions. And say 1 year, so 1 year, nothing time to then clearly, and yet you can't blame anybody. If you don't go to heaven, don't blame Jesus. If you don't do your e-visa and you have a problem, then you can't blame the Home Office. You can only have to blame yourself because the point is we've been given a reasonable period of time. Yes. First of all, it should have been December and it went to March, and from March it's gone to June. Until you have to all be alert and please make sure sir obey here. Now the NTR almost statistically over 4 million people have done the e-visa. 4 million people over. Okay. 4 million people have gone to do the e-visa, and so they are here in accordance with the requirement that they should do their e-visa. So that is the statistics. See, the Home Office said over 4 million people have now successfully transitioned to an e-visa, though an estimated 600,000 people still remain. 600,000 people still no, and almost and say it means we are waiting for the 600,000 people. No, mom, 3 more months from now up to June. 600,000 people. 1 year, that's the time this one, and then you have yourself to blame. You have yourself to blame. So the 600,000 people now can maybe just say majority of them you omukra indefinite leave to remain. Ebi coffee. Yɛn papa no yɛ maame no mpanyinfoɔ na bi a wɔn kɔ fie a wɔn nim sɛ bibi saa ɛrekɔ so na wɔn aba ha aba abɛyɛ no wɔn na megye di sɛ a good number of them are people who have moved home. And of course, omukra indefinite, you're able to go and come within every 2 years. And if you have got nephews 1 year, 6 months, no about. If you walk Ghana, so one can got nan crana, Kumasi, and ho, and any of the big towns. Wakoni Kura say, Hona, some bejono, and say, Wakakot Nakra peacefully. On Tinia, air cost ewa. And unfortunately, daddy baba say or baba treatment, medical treatment to Hano. One share or go on a ticket or go do go to Caribbean. Almost you can't travel because you haven't done your A visa. A hundred problems. No. I don't say a woman. I don't say, dear, we cannot. I had too late, unfortunately. Before over somebody, you have to make another application. I know your friend returning residents. I know a totally different application. You have to pay before wait me up. To what now have for all these years when you're indefinite. Yes, so papa be, mama be, uncle, auntie, be, paying be, akot na Ghana. When you say no crack indefinite. And a wako akot nefia, Miss Row, Freno. The catcher say, home office say. Yenga yewo yem asitna o yem passport no mono. Yenga yewo asitna o passport no. Bibi aba ye friend e-visa. Ye friend e-visa. E kyerese ansa na obetumi aba krom ha no. Gise uye saa de na ye friend e-visa no. Eno kyerese passport sika na visa na wo passport mo no enye adwuma biom. E-visa no. E-visa no na eye adwuma. Menim sɛ nea yɛfrɛ e-visa otwe mu ebi ɛbɛyɛ visa ana akwanto abɛɛfo visa yo ana onawiem visa because ɛne deɛ wotumi fa wo sanka nti onawiem visa ɛnti bi ɛsrɛ wo frɛ papa frɛ maame frɛ wo nua wo uncle wo auntie your grandmother wakɔtena fie no ka kyerɛ m sɛ nneɛma ɛsesa and it is changing very fast. From COVID time up to now, because of COVID and the way people started working from home and the technology has increased and now things are done virtually. You don't have to do certain things physically, but virtually. Meetings are being held across the world with, Zoom, with Teams Meet. Everything is changing. And Kajil Papa say, Ombra. And a service I can on to me yen woman on and say, Oba ha ansana. What me there. Yenga ye de passport mo. As a saw about Krumansania ye sa application man your friend NTL. Unya NTL anywhere and Sania ye e-visa namo. And yes, sir, want to me and to quite. Bra, mamma, ye application anywhere. Bet me a call. Say decision ni bar. Na ye e-visa namo. And your our Ghana crab. You bet me a e-visa no. Eddie, a man, but only her. And yeah, only ha near application amana a behind him. Into 600,000 people na kano mona ye train na ye e-visa no edi about full swing. And the Home Office I can say from the 2nd of June, ukra biometric card, ukra biometric permit. Want to me and use it as your means of traveling to the UK, as your proof of residence in the UK. Ukra biometric card, ukra biometric permit from the 2nd of June. And no, and ye jumebio. And now ye can say dear, still no, a ye juma. Uko Ghana, with me as without any problems. 1 year e-visa, 1 year share code, want to mean with me a cop, but want to mean ma.
Hey.
Kodie, kwa and the mude, so pressure if you have caught. Myself over back, a honor issue no. Now saying many baby oko Ghana or Bano, Odu Kutoka, friend Accra International Airport. Omokacha said, yes, or generate share code. Meanwhile, I didn't start you. Now, so your chrome hodi almost started just aha, just as so be didn't say that. Why you share code that ultimate too quiet? Lady said, look, I have my biometric card, and this thing is not taking effect until the 31st of March. Almost a day before I share code and I'm framing. Sunday you review, no framing. And I'm saying, can you send me your biometric card or send him me call system so and I'm generating share code and I'm sending. Only when you're okay. Me how moko kaprepo.
Kaprimpo when you view.
Kaprepo mo bia because then you're more frustrating.
Right.
The most annoying part is then you na for be January airport. Into what do I didn't hear say, hey, I didn't mean to me inquire. Na obi aye suspect say, hey, and yesterday Obeka na. And to me, I share code no. I'm frustrated. Me di come on. I say how moko kaple, how moko noko.
Yeah, lawyer, wait there. My miss question be ho. So, sir, you know be a waku fee. Our kuta BRC. After is it 2nd of June? But is that the date?
2nd of June.
2nd of June.
Yes.
Right. Can he do the e-visa from Ghana instead of doing the what we were saying, say like returning resident? Can he apply for the e-visa in Ghana? In the say for the e-visa number. How is it?
Okra biometric card, no. And now okra permit, no. Cards near me, no, but a card and no, a permit.
Yeah.
Oh, me and you a card. But
yes.
what's a card, a biometric card, a EU law? What's a biometric permit, a UK law?
Okay.
So the only difference is one is card, biometric
one is permit.
Biometric card and biometric permit. So okra and noa, uber to me. E-visa, you have to go online and create the account and link your passport to the account. You are safe.
Even after 6th June, 2nd June.
It has to be done before the 6th.
Okay.
Before the 2nd
of June. Okay. All right.
It has to be done before the 2nd of June. From the 2nd June, a whole lot of problems now. So you have to do it before, because 1 year before, nothing. This process kicks in. Now when to me anya hona waka ubeka.
Right.
So yes, okay, then you have to do an application called returning resident to prove say na me wa ha ba bibinti na man to me anya the whatever it is nanti me sanga ba. I feel na call home office. I feel na shemo. But the returning resident is mostly for almost 2 years. Or more indefinite, sorry. No more got Ghana for more than 2 years now. Upesa uba. And so your application, which is known as returning resident application.
Right. Now, okay. My name is a question. Sir, so after 6th June, untimi nye e-visa ni biu.
Ideally, want to mean you.
Wow.
And not nobody deadline at all. But I likely say, to say, I'm using EUDF for example.
Okay.
Also, that deadline was the 30th of June 2021.
Yes.
SSOBia a year in the e-visa and the EU settlement scheme.
Yeah.
Baby antimi anye anti my extension up to a year can say but you have to give a reason why you were not or you didn't do it at the time.
Wow.
So a possible say they may allow you to do it beyond a possible after the 2nd of June. But what reason are you going to give for not doing it for the whole 3 months, 6 months, 9 years more? What reason are you going to give? And yes, sir, you were. And yes, we are. It's no reason. It's no reason.
No, classic. Was a Ghana, we'll holiday the one.
Yeah, what was that?
Simple.
I want the list of possible reasonable grounds, remember. If you don't fall within it, you may not pass. And yes, to avoid all of that, please just do it. Now, young ayakra indefinite, ayakra ko campo no, better because who crowd me returning resident here, na the amount waba. But young ayakra 2.5 years, be based on our area and based on Uba. When you have a friend of mine, soon to quite so Muntaman and a walk. What could do Honsu as they want to member? Say, over your new application now, over here evidence from a friend of mine, and son, now they support the application. Papa, one shot.
Nessa waka can
I know the can waka over Kefi.
Wow.
And then the Abon they will say, please, do it. Do it before you step outside this country. So card new. Now everybody's card is expired 31st of December 2024, and I cards in a fee system. So card new now from the 1st of June. So UPI any problem, but Uber Baka, you can't use that card to come back in. Uber Ghana. And wherever you've been to, Uber. So please, yes, sir. Please do it. Want to mean, go to the Citizens Advice Bureau. They will do it for you free of charge. They are not going to take 1 penny from you. It is totally free, absolutely free. And I don't understand why you won't do it. Sometimes procrastination. Oh, may oh, China may me dying. Oh, China may oh, China oh. Wait, they said June. They say oh, what? Not oh, may before we want not June. About say, hey, me yo. Now it's too late. And please.
Lawyer Mpacho, I mean, stresses our point to it. For lawyer, make it very important and a very generous point, to be honest. Sometimes I don't, their selflessness, Wisemart is very, very beyond imagination. Obi and Kobeka said, Brahman, Yamana News. Lawyer can't say, so person we are, Ubeti Media Citizens Advisory Bureau. No, Mayama free. Ghana for Fana ko na yanyama free of charge. Enti mba se no so wa anye de a ene enam se mum so wa na apeso kufi yedu kufi enti very very important pa se e-visa no abusiafo wa wonye wo de no lawyer am I a very generous advice say wo de fan kono okra na bia ka say obe charge was it called Citizens Advisory Bureau on be free of charge enti we de say wotina wa na 2nd June ebe pawo ho a wontimi enye biem na sa hwetro obo no me da ase lawyer ento aso
Papa me da ase what me da ase pass wasiso because last time na me ka asambia chiro bi na me ka chiro say yare bi o ho ye friend no moto
ya prophylaxis no hey lawyer what the cheap
yare very moto. In other words, a moto oh a china me oh china be oh china chi me oh so na ye about to over share na idea sound na one year moto ni bro for the moto and this
yes
and see yesremwa because of the problems that would arise and then I'm giving you this information, please work it out. And yes, sir, you have a lot of problems. The second update I'm person with the money say say who copy Juma, the view of friend share code. You start here, but crank say all the employers are dealing with share code. One for share code and qua want to me engage Juma. 3 days ago, and Thursday, I think on and Wednesday, right? Monday.
yeah Wednesday
Minyako if he employer be ho obroni be ho I'll catch them and say now on here some information about my clients be now the problem was this. Let me just give you DJ, let me give you this as a scenario, a practical scenario. Employers are now serious.
okay
Pay ofigana ne baye or dia ware ne baye obedu krom ha no ye money 2.5 years now The 2.5 years it will be in January 2023. But na nyoma binti went to me anye application no. And ne visa anana sitan ewi 2 months ansana or the ebreyen. And to all the buyer no me catch it straightforward that was application it to be refused. Because the grace period is 14 days, but would you know 2 months abaso. Yes, and you refuse you. But some refuse you are a court. A honor judge and no and never share no what you was some niente I went to me and yet and as the factors we were on share now with the amount and I said, you know, when it just was uncle fee and was sign I application as sign up. And Jamu refused, as I told him, any call court. I don't want it. Now, some situation be one the family into ewo kromanti omodi Emma.
Wow.
But remember, say, from time which was January 2023 up to August 2024, I call court, Satan na onia sitra.
Yes.
Papa, so there's here.
Yeah.
At the end of January 2023, or the break in March 2023, ye the koda home office, no more refuse here. No more refuse here, no. Ye the court, and also koda court from January 2023 to August 2024, now onia sitna.
Wow.
Employer anonso there because only no ye juma de dawo no. Employer need the onim set me employee we ni bibia ye okay. Enti wanko anko check it ahwe say na sitna no still valid or not. The say no ye the sitna man no. Or that's what 2.5 years. But home office I throw employer and say between January 2023 to August 2024 non-Nipan Onias at 90, there is a civil liability of £45,000.
Jesus.
Yes, £45,000 for him to pay because he employed somebody illegally during that period. Now, no employer wants to incur this cost. None. Not me, not anybody.
Hey, lawyer, wait, £45,000.
Yes. And to your friend, 45,000 crane first time offender, second time offender, there you have to pay about £60,000. And Oma Mana is so difficult. Say we employer, say anybody in sit now, you don't want to know.
Wow.
And the only way you would be allowed to work is if you generate a share code. One year with e-visa won't even generate a share code.
Okay.
So the whole thing goes back to the e-visa. 1 year e-visa won't even generate a share code. 1 year with NTL. And after that, 1 year e-visa won't even generate a share code.
Wow.
And everything is now interconnected. Everything is now linked. So it is so important. Set ubeye your e-visa. And yes, sir, very soon you will be out of job. Uber took where you have to generate a different share code for travel. Uber saw rented down, you generate a different share code for renting. Uber saw prove to employer, you have to generate a different share code for the employer. If you want to prove your right to be in the UK, you generate a different share code. So there's a share code for everything.
Wow.
You can't use the employer one to go and rent a house. And even I understand, even if you want to apply for driving license, there is a special code you have to generate. So very soon, Papa, everything is going to be spiritual. And there's no more going to be any physical documents. Electronic, invisible. Please, please, I am begging, please get this done because I can foresee the problems that will arise if we don't get it done properly. So that is my little advice. And yes, it is free of charge. Citizens Advice can do it for you free of charge. Uber, free of charge. Uber, free. I mean, it's FREE, free of charge. So, I would.
Lawyer cannot stress it any better. Was it a free? Yeah, new sika. Oko Citizens Advisory Bureau on amount free of charge. Now, lawyer, me sa question because my time no. You know, been offer na or the brain. I think say, yeah, or or the health and care visa na buy UK ha, and to team the yele ne ma, it akofo maba. No bedru ha no. Sa general problem na ebi wo no say afi company ni nya adwuma ma wo no. Ebi to no. Enti okohu another care agency. Na omo yes okay, omo beboa no. Nti omo ma no COS for 5 years. All ban on the 2.5 a buy. Nti ne yere ne mba nyina put a 2.5. But the new sponsor no we na dom and o man 5 years straight. Nti the nipa ne say or no because of sika 70 no or no switch or no kwana ho from the 2.5 to the 5 years because any lower him say immigration health charge and hon 5 years ebi wom enti wantimi anya ama the rest of the family. Now the 2.5 years for the rest of the family, that is the wife and children, no ebi enti said was switching or more than nyina. And now pursue who said, what is the process and the cost involved, including everything, solicitor fee, home office fee, and everything. Lawyer, the question, Andy.
Yo, now with the switching, the dependence of a healthcare worker, the person is really blessed to have gotten a COS for 5 years, and to go online to submit the application. I think the fee for one person. Let me quickly check the fee for one person.
Okay.
So. I will check it as we go along. So,
for wow, you also be to me what question be you can type in Facebook comment section or and I will read it na lawyer a ye amount. But and because of Facebook we can take phone calls. Okay, lawyer.
All right. I will check the figures for you and I'll give it to you because it's a live program. But as a support here for no any name of running now usually so or with a health sector, I think there is no IHS fee to pay also. So they will get away with that. But even in the event that it is paid or payable, I wait me ask for a refund with time. Because a lot of employees are more employers, especially the NHS, are more apply for the refund of the NHS fee now IHS fee now
Okay.
So yes, it has to be done for all the family, and of course, I'm trying to get the fee.
All right, but there is no problem switching them now.
There should be no problem switching them now.
Okay.
But the Home Office can also ask why they didn't switch along with you the first time. Just give a reason, maybe finance-wise, you didn't have all the money. And of course, you could not have applied for fee waiver because fee waiver doesn't cover the health and care category. And that is why you have to work for a while to gather some money before over your application. In any case, you are still a family person, the family is still together, you are still married, the children are still dependent on you. Yeah, because I'm involved in it, mostly. Yeah.
All right. So now I will reiterate some of the points you made whilst you search for that. For the lawyer actually say sa e-visa no. Ebusia for say omama new deadline, which is the 2nd of June 2025. E-visa so when you are there ebusia for so kuta BRP, BRC Nessa unya and move and yes have e-visa application now. Please do it because after our new deadline now modiamano, which is the 2nd of June 2025 no. Untimi enye e-visa ne biem. Na sɛ wotia anye yi ne sɛ wakɔdi Ghana abusua wɔyɛ ahobɛkyerɛ papaapa because na ɛsɛ sɛ wosan yɛ a new application like a returning citizen. Enti abusuafo yɛsrɛ mo yɛnhyɛ no so ehia paa wanhwɛ yi a na wo ho akɔkyerɛw. Ɛna lawyer I've been said general sɛ saa e-visa no application no wobɛtumi ayɛ free of charge. So wa wontumi nyɛ oba bi a obetumi ho akenkan ne mu internet obetumi aboa mo ayɛ ana sɛ obetumi akɔ Citizens Advisory Bureau. Ɛno deɛ nim sɛ baro bia ɛwɔ UK ade bi wo ana council bia ɛwɔ UK ade ɔmo saa service no. And to just ask your Citizens Advisory Bureau na akɔ ɔmo bɛyɛ ama wo free ebusianfo say free of charge. Nti ubu wa wagas oh lawyer ma back radio studio say ja be charge no. You can choose not to, you can choose to give it to the lawyers to do. Persevere sika semne ya Fako Citizens Advisory Bureau. Even I was surprised when he made that recommendation because I mean say juma yi wa na wo kire ba bia ombekwa nya ne free. Hey lawyer mo ya de o. Yo.
Yeah.
Ochemi oni ma asem ka o se mo asuma. You lawyer, but you know.
Okay. The fee. We share the health and care worker visa now. Another leave to be here. Now the fee, when it goes to the cost, how much it costs. I say 3 years visa in Iswa, 3-year leave in Iswa. I think per person it says £284 per person. And that is up to 3 years. 3 years and above, that is more than 3 years, which is up to 5 years. That is £551 per person. That is a honor. And then Ushe Hanswa, he does not state anything about health IHS fee with regards to the health care workers. So
and what about dependents? IHS.
Yeah, so it applies. No, it doesn't apply to. From what I'm reading, it doesn't apply to the dependents as well. So that
right.
is that information. Yes.
Well, I think that's good news. Mm-hmm.
Yes. So, and of course, the legal fee, it depends on every firm and what they charge. I can say £20, another firm can say £15, another firm can say, look, it's pro bono. Yes, so situation one. And if someone to me 20, I am or pro bono to, so, just to support you. So it all depends on the, but in a case like that, say lawyer and share, no, I assessment, because okay, for administrative costs here and there, this is how much it's difficult to give a figure for this sort of work. So yes.
All right, Chief, I think say holidays contact information is on your screen. Office number 0208 016 5384. The 0208 016 5384. And I say emergency number no. And on a share lawyer wisdom channel. And to say open on direct as of number 07931 411 042 07931 411 042. And I say simply take a screenshot. Right. Lawyer, and update
okay, yes.
Yeah.
Now, Home Office, Eddie Abbas, I'm the statistics. More statistics. Able to be a homonym, and you can hide. I'm the statistics about Nipa, I'm apply for asylum. For asylum claim, humanitarian visas and refugee resettlements in the UK in 2024, 108,000 people.
Wow.
108,000 people. It means still no a kinda baby. Say upese uklemi asylum as I said utrese uklemi based on political persecution, religious grounds, ethnicity, race, sexual orientation, or anything in your culture that affects you. Now, based on a no, that is when you claim asylum. What's it? Who papa was shop? Oko bobisia. And or the uba bridge. Unfortunately, no shop nashi. And to go back, no one will papa bisiano. They will come after your life. That is not a ground for claiming asylum. It's not a ground. It's not. But I am take the stories. And I shop nashi. And I cocoa farm no so the only galam say and take cocoa farm na nanka na or fast to edit pay school fees me when you yanti
No, so it was financial persecution. You wanna
we a financial hardship, we have persecution.
Okay.
So never be all the power and fat. But of course, so we are obia or say same sex. I say the Ghana so there same sex they empathy same sex. And I am passing. You have evidence to support. So now we are same sex, and the community now want if boys now boo area and girls no crash show and evidence will work or report it to police. Scars who says evidence no actually say and no a different thing altogether, but it is not guaranteed. Asylum. Over to me claiming if there is a genuine grounds for you to claim. Home Office says 108,000 people and are claiming asylum last year.
Wow.
But Usha almost the number has dropped. The number has dropped by 21% because the previous years a lot of people were applying. But because Omaya had on people now, the number has dropped by 21%. The other one was family visas. Family visas. And no, in 2024, almost 86,000 family-related visas were granted. And no has dropped by 7%. And no, actually that has increased by 7%. Family visa, they are increasing by 7%. Okay, family visa has increased by 70. Uba that has gone up by 7%. And the baby say no, na baby so eja na ehon so obi antime nka ntro se men worry, obi antime nka ntro se worry. Men worry. Who worry so I make sure that the documents are there, everything is genuine. Would you support your genuine application, your genuine relationship, and they would need some. And that is very important. Another sector here, almost work-related visas. In 2024, 210,000 work visas were granted. 210,000 work visas. And Papa,
wow.
Would you know, this has decreased from the previous years. It means it has decreased by 37% because of health and care for issue now. Bana omonye jumani sani manu anti ama microphone number so number nan kana omudi mano omudi so by 37%.
Wow.
37%. So even if they granted 210,000, and that is even a reduction by 37%, that tells you if they hadn't cut down the numbers, you would just have imagined how many people would have come here on the health work-related visa also. And I'm see the number of visas issued to main applicants, that is health and care for India. Health and care for India went down by 81%.
Wow.
Yes, so the number of health and care worker visas granted to main applicants dropped to 27,000 in 2024. The previous year, I think it was 120 something thousand, and I dropped it to 20
something
thousand.
Wow.
That is a decrease of 81%, decline from 2023 peak. And the number of visas issued to the dependents and other work in and other categories is had dropped by 11%. And Tisawusha, statistically, they are cutting down on all aspects of visas. A B go down by 11%, a B by 20%, a B by 30%, a B by 81%. So overall, they are compressing the number of people who are allowed to come to the UK. But family, the idea, I know they are costly. and to say wo pese wo back room ha na say wo family, and when I say family me kire say wo yiri ana wo kuno na everything ebibia wo genuinely please your application now wait to me aba papa me bibi about returning residents returns from the UK. So returns, in 2024 there were 8,204 returns. Omo ana omunia sitna omo krumano home office for say they took away 8,200 people. Another statistic somewhere says they took away almost 19,000 people. Just omo ba siki asylum ya fama omo aba omo visa newu they didn't apply in any other category. They took away 8,200 people. A total of 5,000 foreign national offender FNO returns were recorded in 2024, 25%. And we a foreign national, unkra British passport, ukra indefinite, ukra 2.5 years. Wako ye bonipi na ye chu eduatum uye no your sentence your mouse straight to Kotoka, straight to Accra International Airport. I almost say the number that were taken away last year was 5,000 foreign national offenders. And that is why so Krumha, let's try and abide by the rules.
Yes, sir.
Yen bomoding any murano so na at least wasum ajo to Krumha. Now you follow you statistics nature say as at December 31st, 2024, there have been 8.4 million applications to the EUSS. And to Papa says sometimes home office no, they're under pressure.
Wow.
They're under pressure for 8.4 million applications.
Wow.
Been to the home office. And sometimes the delay no, and yes, how much that the number, the volume of cases now and then sometimes delay no. So as of December 2024, there have been 8.4 million applications to the home office. And yes, I know that, but counting the number of applications that were going through, it amounted to 8.4 million. And I must say, they finished with 8.2 million. And Tiaka 0.2.
400,000.
Yes, 200,000 and so it means still no, there's a number of EU nationals and their family members who are still in the system on your application. Please, ebeya bomoding neye and yes sir, say down but close it down here and that is total for you. The last thing I made the account as update and then they say Papa EU for no
Right.
ya worry EU for and I worry obi away EU ni na say uwo mmofra uwo ma na wo pese wo kofa wo ma eba no bo modern say wo yire no a oyeyi ni ana wo kunu na oyeyi no misro mane hu say wo kofa wo ma aba.
Okay.
Wan kan kire no say wo kofa wo ma aba na nse ni ankrofo yi ni say wo the application ni tumu on their own system. Enya wo omfre wo on the home office system. No more share say you ni why share why e-visa na why e-visa na telephone number be na eda ho. No more friend was sa number ni so. Omfre wo number na wo dia to application form no so na kojo akofa akaso no ne ya.
Wow.
Enti omo afa echi and now omo friend number na wo omo nkasa omo system no so no. But what you say? No more friend ana email na wo ho no. No more friend ne pa no. Na omo bisa say wo ne asemasi ana osi ai. Mi pa cho wo ne papa we ana mame we ekunu ana ne yire ana osi ai. Wo ne musa odinima eba ana.
Wow.
And to say you need to say, hey, David, me na microphone. I'm say thank you very much for this very almost valuable information. Nobody valuable account, valuable information. Normal can refuse the application, normal catch yourself. Your friend, your sponsor, and your sponsor says they have no idea about this application and they don't approve of it. Normal refuse, ubano waka. Just say the court. Who the court na ye union na wuni ni kono. As a sort of court. One ma and it just say ubano waka if you. And this is very, very idea. Your name, Wisemart, we try to let you know what is going on now. No. And see.
Right, lawyer, Mimi, sir, question you now, Mr. Tamani Aso. Nipa so because of radio indeed, lawyer, questions in there, Bame ho. Or say, ni nipa bi about UK, but oba as a dependent. Now, lawyer, where the can you come kasa? Nipa na sebi oye ni kunu no. Wasi oba ha no wonhu no. Wonhu na chikra.
Are ntokwa ziara.
Se wa wonim enye meyere so meyere enye me kunu that sort of
me de minimum.
Yo. Enti me kan say sa na me kan no. Ni kunu no ya de okay nipa ya de order ya de kan ho ne ba no. Me so ya out here.
Ni kunu na one ne buy anani na one ne buy. Okay.
The person is your bar.
Okay.
And I can answer me the Nikruno. So, oh, na chi. Or friend, do 1 month, no, for first, no, the person is not cooperating. And ne 2 visa or the buyer, no, time on a yasu, a boo. And the lawyer also on your day. What are the options available to the person?
Or no,
dependent.
Only a dependent.
Yeah. And now the main applicant will depend on or buy no. In Cratano, so you have to one day.
And my money be a stubborn. We did this and you didn't actually before Papa na anyway, we did young cousin Papa. Yes.
Yeah, so
now, sir, when you croon a buyer and I be binty. Ebi antia se bi enye adwuma okru na pakire ne ma wa fifie ana okoye wa ma onso wo before na time no ebeso se obeye extension na ohun okru no ofre na wonfa na address a wo no bi wa ko okra wa tu o tu fifie no akọ we bi fufuro ebi a wa ko no ho ne ma se time ne beso a me a mentwan ma time no pro enso ese ope a different sponsor now one kasano what be independent on your own and it's a one sponsor
or no the main applicant or no a dependent.
Yes, it's possible say a dependent but you have to sponsor or dependent no be a sponsor as a
main applicant.
Yes, so the dependent must now become a main applicant by moving to another employer. That is the first point of call. That is the first thing as a solution. We try and say na time this so na ukurenzo no one nkasa one for the document in support you but certainly why and that's it. So that is
sister Mr. Uchi I think said good news for my Lydia. I question no.
Meaning say it is difficult. It is very difficult to have or to get a new sponsor. However, organizations be wha amotime ebwa. Home Office and my email be recently. So I email now mo di my no. My boss I'll email no so. So we will be would see me and you happen to find yourself in such a situation. Who bet to me I email you on my friend. No guarantee. And yes, I make us all email you and they'll give you a job. No. But at least start emailing a Home Office are provided for people in a certain area. And to me, say, email them. And I want to emphasize again, I am not guaranteeing, say, we are yɛbɛma wɔ adwuma nyɛ saa papa next week baba obi bɛfrɛ sɛ lawyer se me email ɔma wobɛma me adwuma David, home office na this email ma yɛn ɛna yɛn nso yɛde ɛma because megye di sɛ ɛbɛbɔ obi but memfa don't put all your eggs in that basket alone. Sir, email address no. Let me see if I can get it for you. Now you contact them. Now, if they have any work or any sponsorship, amount. The email address is, I think I've given it before on a platform or on different platform. Let me give it to you. It is give me 1 second, I'll get it for you, please. Yes. Right. Okay. This is the email address. Papa, what me actually to us will be Bisawana Udi Amano. London. That is in London. 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 International recruits at Camden CAMDEN .gov.uk. So London that international recruits at camden.gov.uk. London dot international recruits RECURITS at Camden CAMDEN.gov.uk. Nti home office ene di sa email yi ema yen se obi ewo situation ti se ebia wodie mu a ana ne sponsorship license has been revoked na obetimi a contact we no mo omo ye big organization ebia na omo wo adwuma ana omo sponsor bi na omo di amount and to please contact them. No guarantees, but please contact them. Mejidi say you may have some information from them as to what to do. So generally, Papa, and then these are some tidbits up and some informations here and there. Mejidi say is gonna be of assistance to somebody who has listened to us, or you can pass it on to Ubi Fufra. Mejidi say over here information. Edamase.
Yeah,
I mean,
sorry.
too.
Oh, sorry. My mic was off. For yes, that is the email at Lawyer Demayeno. London, it's on your screen right now. London.internationalrecruits@camden.gov.uk. London.internationalrecruits@camden.gov.uk. In the lawyer now can say obia mode health and care we cover aba a onye adwuma no. Omo na some free we na. On bet me try.
Yes. When if you can see the about say you revoke your sponsorship license, and now we will be here maybe to move to another sponsor. Send an email to this group. It's a huge department. They employ like they have other because just say it says international recruits, so that tells you how big they are, and they have other sponsorships, under sponsors under a big umbrella. And if you're waiting, I can say, okay, who switch here? They switch you here and then. Please email them, tell them clearly what you are looking for. So maybe your full name, your telephone number, if they need to contact you. Of course, your email, they already have it through the email. And of course, tell them precisely as what you want. Say you are looking for a sponsor in the health and care sector, and possibly you can even add them to them the areas you are willing to or available to work in. Maybe Peterborough, Wales,
Wow.
Leeds, Bristol. I mean, just give them this options. Open your chances. Open it wide. Give them a wider chance and a range, and I'm sure they will be able to maybe locate something for you. Summit na London, mommy visa would ye. Me call
Newcastle.
Manchester, Newcastle. Menya Juma wo am visa would ye. Nkameko Newcastle.
Right,
So
right, right.
one has to explore these options. Okay. And as I pay up, mamia or bisa semi. Assuming say, assuming say, on papa relationship now break it down. Not say or no for me another relationship. And also a possible say or better me I'm moving into that category. So there are a few things here and there. A been so called school. One person if it's an wanted now was pet school, university. On my one is CAS, confirmation of acceptance to study. Now the SAR cast now for chair university finish. Now the SAR cast now for your application for a student.
Oh,
You are switching from being
dependent.
to become a student. Who will of course now you have 2 years graduate route. Within that time, you never know. If you're not quite be no so and say, Papa, that is what
Wow, wow, wow. Already a lawyer, and that's a pa, I mean, sure, more point, pa, and church near Mumu, a bushel for the takeaway, and they say, Evis no, they say, oh, another deadline, which is the 2nd of June. 2nd of June this year.
the 1st of June.
Oh, is it the 1st?
It ends on the 1st. So the 2nd is a new regime altogether.
Oh, okay. Right. Into the 1st of June. You can say end of May. So that people will not be confused. End of May. You have up to the end of May. If it's a end of May. And yes, a pahua a busia. I'm sure a beye asem basa. And what would the skill worker bisa health and care about company or by Onyajuma Mao. We dear Ficasium for no my number be said. Sa email ya media to screen you see. Offer Omana Casatrum or Mobitimi Abwao a sponsor. And our lawyer, yes, sir.
That is the intention, but me and Franka was a guaranteed.
And you're guaranteed. Okay. Into it, your lawyer, I mean, sharp. We hope, sir, upcoming weeks in your bitty men, Yamosana, Yatuaso. In some way, you're busy in the and I'm the humble breath. Friend and dear, my friend, lawyer, and dear. Okay. God bless you. Bye-bye. Right. Wow, Abusiafo, that was very, very educative. Because a bar, you know, and Krata Semdia, Yemfa in Niagro, and then Wisemart for Abetrichemu, Mabetrichemu, and I think, say, for Yati Yonho Ase. It is very, very important. And Krata Semdia, you know, in Fendi Agro Kra. Right. Wisemart for more contact information. No. I'll try to share me the big screen also be right. Omo ewo unit. Okay, I'll call it out. Unit 8, the print house. Unit 8, the print house. 18 to 22 Ashford Street, London E8 3 Delta Lima. London E8 3 Delta Lima. More Dostin Market. And baby, ya na okoji okao fit no. Prekuntre, ujain tre, nanchi tre, nesa neman mimano. Hi, more them areas of with me after 0208 016 5384. Office number again 0208 016 5384. and emergency number. But your emergency number no ekuta lawyer wisdom. Enti upesha no akasa straighter. That is the number to call. 07931 411 042. 07931 411 042. And they will be glad to assist you. And just go to their website, wisemartsolicitors.co.uk. That is wisemartsolicitors.co.uk. So this program comes away every Wednesday. Sometimes when lawyer is too busy, it doesn't happen, but we try as much as possible to get more airtime with the lawyers so they can guide us regarding this Enkratasem. So this is DJ KB. I believe you are well. Thanks very much for joining, for watching. Keep sharing so that the gospel of legal matters could be spread. Namin sure, sir.
Ghana for our butcher, ya say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimo, a potokas emu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimo could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi a drone swa, a yomokokra, a banini passitnemu, any a jumemun sembia, Omudimu Akotenipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Do you need a professional website for your business, organization, or e-commerce store? Look no further. Compassion Web Design Limited is your number one stop shop. We are a team of marketing, graphics, and web designers with over a decade experience in building and maintaining websites. Our products are very user-friendly, search engine optimized with multiple user permission levels, and are built with PHP and MySQL database. For more information, visit our website www.compassionweb.co.uk or call us on +44 0208 528 3077. Compassion Web Design, your professional web design partners.
who is going to do my account and tax returns for me, crap?
Certified accountants. Certified accountants. Certified accountants.
They will help you with your account and tax returns.
Are you a minicab driver, hairdresser, shop owner, or self-employed? Certified accountant. And I was working with Chapman. And then we say when you will be a bring accounts and tax returns more. Now bansa so more. Now who you actually? It didn't make for certified accountant at the Yamawo. F accounts and tax returns, company accounts, bookkeeping, payroll services, charity accounts, and gift aid claim. As of for what 20 Open certified accountants, self tax planning, business advice, company registration, and many more. And teach you what company what you casa now what the hotel babro. What is the capudo babro no bushia. Certified accountant. so. Say about transfer from the what to the construction workers, agency workers, relief security workers, bank nursing staff, and then one year Juma our temporary workplaces in India. Monfrano, no one is a capudu mama. Media the Amada Kran say HMRC4 at the Cabra work. What me wow a trim and yes as well. What is so address 160 London Road, Barking, IG11 8BB. Telephone 0208 226 4933. Mobile 079 568 04517. Certified accountant. Mehumba mehua chame. Mudim puntio abba meduma yi.
This is Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian radio station in the UK. Hailing from the eastern corridors of London, we bring you news, views, music, interviews, trending issues, and what have you. Tune in to us 24/7 on our free mobile radio app. Download our free app from the Play Store